by Lolo Francisco Garcia with love for Crystal Joy. May our heart always feel the warmth of family and friends. So once again, please a round of applause for Crystal and Lolo Francisco Garcia. Ayan, so isayaw po natin a short dance by Lolo. Ayan, by Lolo Francisco together with our birthday celebrant, Crystal Joy. Palapakan pa natin ang kanyang Lolo and Crystal Joy. Thank you so much, Lolo. Ayan, so enjoy niyo po yung dance. So sayo po muna kayo. Sayo po yung apo nyo. Ayan. Ayan, palapakan po natin. How sweet naman na makita na sinasayaw yung Lolo, yung apo, yung sumasayaw, yung kanyang Lolo at si baby Crystal Joy. Thank you so much, Lolo. The second rose is represent. Diyan po muna kayo, Lolo. Diyan po muna kayo, Lolo. Hintayin niyo po yung susunod. Represent by Raymar Labugan. With wishes for guidance and wisdom as she grows through life. Once again, please a round of applause. Raymar Labugan together with our birthday celebrant. Once again, palakpakan po natin sila dahil palakpakan naman mga karadamdaman. Ayan! Makikita dyan ang palakpak, makikita natin gandamdaman. Ayan! Okay, so thank you. Diyan ka muna, Raymar, hintayin mo yung next. So isayaw mo muna si Baby Crystal. Sayaw mo si Baby Crystal. Ayan, so dito kayo sa gitna, dito tayo sa gitna para makita kayo. Ayan. Next, the third rose is given by John Mark Labugan. Wishing Crystal Joy a life full of joy, laughter, and cheerful moments. Once again, please a round of applause for John Mark Labugan together with our birthday celebrant, Crystal Joy Alay-Ay. So enjoy the moment, mga anak, na isayaw nyo. Magpinsan ba sila? Magpinsan daw sila. Ay, tita niya. Ayan. Ang sweet naman na sinasayaw niya yung kanyang tita. So, maraming mga bata na hindi nakakaranas ng ganito. Kaya mapalad si Crystal kasi taga-mapalad siya. Hindi. Kasi naranasan niya yung mag-birthday ng ganito. Yes. And the fourth rose is presented by Janjan Abelia Jr. with prayers for her good health, strength, and well-being. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin si Janjan Abelia together with our birthday celebrant, no other than Crystal Joy Alay-Ay. So isang malakas na palakpak. Nakikita ko yung pinagpapalakpak, hindi daw kakain mamaya. Ayan, nagpapalakpak na sila. Thank you so much, guys, for your cooperation. Next, the fifth rose is given by Alexander Domingo. Wishing her spiritual growth, blessing God in a faithful heart. Ayan! Saan may nag-cheer? Okay, so pag-play ulit, Pastor. Mamaya, wala tayong music. Mamaya, naputol yung music natin. Naputol yung momentum.
One.
Wait lang. Balik ka muna. Hindi, ka na. Okay, so again, I repeat, the fifth rose, asayaw mo muna, is given by Alexander Domingo, wishing her spiritual growth, trust in God, and a faithful heart. Okay, so please dance. Isayaw mo na siya. Hawakan mo na yung kamay. Isayaw kayo. Ayan. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin si Alexander Domingo at ang ating birthday celebrant, Crystal Joy Alay-Ay. At parang may kinikilig. Parang may kinikilig dito. by caring and loyal friends throughout her life. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin si Clarence de la Cruz and Crystal Joy Alayay. Ayan. Smile naman dyan, Crystal Joy Alayay. Ayan. So alam natin na mauulit to. Ayan. Pag-18 na si Baby Crystal. So ngayon, 7 muna. But soon ay magiging 18. Titingnan natin kung sila pa rin yung magdadance pag 18 na si Baby Crystal Alayay. Ayan. Thank you so much. And the 7 rows is given by Jarion Francis Garcia. So tinatawagan ko po Baby Jarion Francis Garcia, wishing her success, abundance, and a bright future ahead. So palakpakan po natin. Umiiyak na si Baby Jarion. Any representative na lang po. Sayaw mo si Ate Crystal. Once again, palakpakan po natin our 7 roses again. The traditional gesture presenting respect, love, and protection. First, we have Lolo Francisco Garcia. Again, tinatawagan ko po ang 7 roses para po sa picture taking. Again, Lolo Francisco Garcia, Raymond Labugen, John Mark Labugen, Rancha Novelia, Alexander Domingo, Lawrence de la Cruz, and Jarion Francis Garcia for the photo op. So,